So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your dating preferences on Duet App. So once you start using your Duet App, to change your dating preferences, you'll need to open up your app, go to your profile or your settings icon in the top right corner, or if you're using some other options, you can check out your profile in the bottom right. But in this case, you can see settings right here. You can then see your discovery settings. So once you're there, you can click on dating preferences, or you can see matching filters. You can see the maximum distance as well. And you can update your criteria such as age, as you can see age range right there, the distance between someone that could be viable for matching, as well as if you want the app to show you women, men, or everyone. So if you update those criteria, so let's add something like this, and you can just be sure that those criteria are met the next time you open the app. You can also check it out if you refresh the app, if it updates as well. So these are some of the different variations on how you can change your dating preferences on Duet. So you can see under your discovery settings how you can do that. So once you are sure of that and you've set up the discovery settings as you would like it, you can then just choose to save those so you don't have to change it every second. So just make sure that you save those settings. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duet or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.